Hello, great scientists. Welcome to today's physics class. And in today's physics class, we're solving a problem under friction. On the board, we have a bead traveling on a straight line is brought to rest at zero point 0.2 meters by friction. If the mass of the bead is 0.01 kg and the coefficient of friction between the bead and the wire is zero point 0.1, determine the work done by the friction. We're given that acceleration due to gravity g is approximately 10 meter per second squared. So the first thing we do is to write our solution. Then, having written that, we write out our parameters. That is the data that we are given to us. So from the data, we are going to know what we want to work on. So the first one reads, a bee traveling on a straight line wire is brought to rest at 0.2 meters. 0.2 is the distance, is 0.2 meters by friction. If the mass of the bead is 0.2, the mass of the bead is 0.01 kg. And the coefficient of friction between the bead and the wire. So coefficient of friction is given as 0.1. Then we should determine the work done. Work done, W, is unknown. Then acceleration due to gravity is approximately 10 meter per second squared. Having written our parameters, okay, let's rest out the formula that will help us get what we want to. So we have F, which is frictional force, is equals the coefficient of friction minus the normal reaction or normal force. And we know that our R is equals mg, where m stands for the mass and g stands for acceleration due to gravity. So we have that R is equals, our mass is, we have R is equals mg. Okay, let's not waste much time. We have that our F is equals the coefficient of friction times m times g. Our coefficient of friction as given to us is 0.1. Then our mass is 0.01, while our acceleration due to gravity is 10. Having written that, so from there we can have that W, which is work done, is given as force times distance. Then our force is 0.1 times 0.01 times 10. Then our distance S is given as 0.2. When you multiply out 0.1 times 0.01 times 10 times 0.2. So what I normally do, I'll multiply the number parts. I have 1 times 1 times 2. I have 2. Then I have how many zeros? As in, I have the zeros I have before decimals. Less than 1 zeros I have. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 10 is going to be 0.3. So having written that, I have that. Multiplying this out, so I'm going to have 0.002 joules. Or converting to standard form, we are going to have 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3 joules. So the work done by the friction in the question given on the board is 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3 joules. If you notice, we don't need to do any conversion here because the parameters given to us are in the standard units. So I'll be under the comment section reading your comments and answering your questions. See you next time. Thank you.